How challenging has it been for you to stay committed to this quest for the search for truth, even if that means pushing against some of the most conventional theories of our time, some of the more popular theories of our time? You've said in the past about the de Broglie-Bohm theory that there was a time when you couldn't even talk about it because it was heretical. It probably still is the kiss of death for a physics career to be actually working on Bohm, but maybe that's changing. And it's interesting because to an outsider like me, science seems to, or physics in particular, seems to be very strongly divided into this group that swears by the Copenhagen interpretation, just like there's a group that swears by string theory. And if you're not in that group, if you don't toe the line, if you don't repeat the official narrative, you're often shunned aside. Like you said, it's considered heresy to a certain extent. It could be the death of a physics career. Has it been challenging for you to push for the search for the truth, given this current context, even if it means pushing against these popularly accepted theories like the Copenhagen interpretation?
I think I was pretty lucky in the sense that I never was in a situation where I had the feeling that my job depended on avoiding the questions I was interested in.
Yeah.
That was partly because maybe I've been in a math department just about my whole career. I think my whole career, just about. Yeah. And most of my earlier professional work was in mathematical physics. And so my advancement did not really require towing the party line about quantum mechanics. So maybe I was lucky in that way. I know quite a few younger people who really do want to engage and understand and work on foundations of quantum mechanics. This can be rather tricky for their career, as you said. And I often will discourage them because it's their career. They have to first get a career. I think the situation is still not entirely healthy.
What advice would you give to people in that case? If you mentioned you were lucky, I don't think every person can walk into physics through the mathematical department. So what is the way to actually break this vicious cycle? How to make it healthy again? Because it seems like if you want to build a physics career, you have to start towing the party line, but then you've already lost yourself.
I don't know. I wish I could tell you I had some great advice. I guess what I often tell people is either you go into mathematical physics or something else, or go into regular physics, get tenure, and then do what you want. Or go into philosophy of physics, and then you could do what you want right away. But I think it's going to be very risky to go into physics and start working on issues and foundations of quantum mechanics to get tenure. I may be wrong, but I don't think the situation has changed that much. I know some people may be more optimistic than me, and they may be right, but